I guess so. Let's take a look at another function of the Survye Master on my R60, and this time I want to take a quick peek at how to import coordinates file. So first of all, somebody sent me a coordinate file. What you want to take a look at is what's in the file, right? So as you can see, it is extension txt, and what is there? It's a point, let's say northing, easting, and elevation. So that's very important when you are importing files. So you're gonna go under projects and import, and as you can see, there is a txt file here, txt file here, another txt file here, another txt, more formats, right? So what you want to make sure is that the file import you have corresponds to what you have in your file. As you could see, the natural one would be, oh, txt, click on it, right? But you have to have a format: name, code, northing, easting, elevation, no commas but spaces. Now this is CSV, has commas. This text doesn't have commas, right? So I would first of all, let's see more formats. Do we have a txt? No. No txt's with commas. So let's try this one: name, northing, easting, elevation. So no code. So when we click on it, we hit OK. Import data successful. So if we go to our topo survey, hit that. Okay, so here is a point number 1 with the coordinates, right? So let's see if we can. How do I zoom in here? Anyhow, if we hit elements, we have the 53 points here, right? And yeah, if I open it, let's double check that point number 1. Okay, so it's 509. Okay, but you see, it imported a name, so that would be wrong. So we gotta try that again. As you see, it imported the name, and then it was looking for space. So as I was talking, that we have to have a proper import, right? So we need commas there. So what's that gonna do is that what we need to do is we need to go basically take that file. Since it's a comma delimited, I would change the extension to CSV. Control to actual R60 because the emulator on the computer kept on crashing. So as you can see, it was pretty straightforward after that. So you just have to make sure that whatever format is your data, you pick appropriate format on your controller to import. And once you import it, then you have it, you can stake it, you can do whatever you need to do. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.